guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is our inspiration hop for April. We have beautiful products to share. Hop along with the design team and I, sharing different ways to use the products from April. There's also a $25 gift certificate up for grabs. So if you hop along, leave a comment, come back to the link that's in the description box and enter into the giveaway. You can unlock some bonus entries there to greater your chances. So I am super excited to hop along with you guys and check out what the design team has created. I'm going to share really quickly our brand new release and some cards I've created. The giveaway is going to last for 1 week. I'll post the winner on the YouTube community tab. So let's start with the box of the month. So our box of the month is filled with beautiful card making supplies. So everything coordinates in our box of the month, makes it easy to sit down and just open up and start creating. So I finished some really beautiful cards. This one is so cute with the mouse, and I made a little scene. I had so much fun coloring, and then I just added it on an angle in this beautiful background from the paper. The card came together so easily. So I stamped out growing something good and plant joy. We have you make life bloom for sentiment, and then the super cute little critter comes from the Garden Critters. Now we do have some boxes available, so if you wanted to snag a box before they're gone, because once they're gone, they're gone. You can also subscribe monthly to save, and you'll get a beautiful box sent to you every 30 days from the date you purchase. You can also purchase our ephemera and our papers individually on the website. The Garden Critters are running low, so if you love this, snag it up before it's gone, because once it's gone, it's gone. I did use the beautiful paper Whispers of Spring. This is also almost out of stock. I will be restocking this late April. So if it goes out of stock, it will come back in stock, but the ephemera will not be restocked. So I love how I took one of the pieces of ephemera and I cut it out with a circle to perfectly align with my die cut here. And I love that paper. The next card here, I stamped out You Make Life Sweeter, and I used the super cute bear with the little honey wand and the Honeybee Garden paper pad. I added some Nouveau Crystal Glaze to shine up the honey. Turned out so cute. So that's the Honeybee Garden paper pad. Beautiful. There's also Honeybee Cottage ephemera pieces. So pretty. And here's a card I did using the ephemera pieces and the paper pad. So cute. So this little sentiment was on the piece of ephemera, so I didn't have to add another sentiment. And I love how that turned out. I also did this card on a live stream party, and I stamped out Sending Honey Hugs. Did a little bit of ink blending, and I used a beautiful stencil designed by Call Me Crafty Al. And you can find that one in the shop. I'll actually link it down below for you. The 2 stamp sets, so cute. This one is the 6x6 stamp set, Our Happy Garden, and I love all the critters and the cute little gardening scenes you can make, and the sentiments are so versatile. A little dirt never hurt, plant joy, hi friend, rooted in kindness, from Our Happy Garden, You Make Life Bloom, Where Happy Things Grow, growing something good, thanks a bunch. In the 6x8 stamp set, you get a ton in here. I love that for a background. And there's a really pretty stamps in here, perfect for anyone who loves gardening, the outdoors. Perfect for sending just a little sweet note to a friend. We've got Sending Honey Hugs, Sweet as Can Be kind, You Make Life Sweeter, just because. Hope this brings a smile. Thinking of you today, a little sunshine for you, a little happy just for you. So really cute. And we also have this blooming word die in the shop. I thought this would go great with this month's release. I'll try to link that in the description box as well. We have a paper pad club of the month. You get 2 6x6 paper pads every month. You can also choose to add a 4x6 stamp of the month and coordinating ephemera. So when you add all these items, you can choose the option, I want it all. When you choose monthly, you save 18% off. And here are the 2 cards I created using the stamp of the month and the paper Sweet as Honey. So I stamped out from our little honey stand at the bottom and the beautiful paper behind my scene. Let's take a look at the stamp set. So we've got this really cute sentiment, just because, made with care. I'm going to stamp that on the back of my card because I think that's perfect. We've got a little honey stand and another one here. There's a cute little sign that says sweet, 100% pure. We've got honey for sale. Really cute. There's this cute little bumblebee and butterfly that are perfect for any other scenes that you're creating. Those are just great. We've got from our little honey stand, just a little something sweet, a sweet hello to you, to my honey, and picked with love. And these little sentiments here fit perfectly in Lynn's Ultimate Sentiment die. So her die cuts out a bunch of banner strips at once, and they fit perfect in there. So you could just stamp those right onto your blank sentiment strips. And here's a cute little card using the ephemera and the paper. Turned out so cute. Love that. Beautiful ephemera. Let me take that made with care really quickly and stamp it on the back of the card for you. And then I'll show you our brand new card fronts. And you can stamp this out with a colored ink or just black and color in some of the little images. But I thought that would be so cute on the back of your card. Like, how cute is that? And if you're just looking for a cute stamp each month, you could join our Stamp of the Month Club and you'll get a cute stamp delivered to you every 30 days from the date you purchased. Again, if you choose monthly, you'll get 18% off, which is a really great deal. So for our new card fronts, we have Springtime Bouquet, and the images remind me of a storybook. They're really cute. On the back, you'll get these sentiments that you could trim out with your Teresa's One and Done sentiment die. It has some beautiful stitching and some flag banners. And all you have to do is line it up, add a little washi tape so it doesn't shift on you, and then run it through your die cutting machine, and you have all these beautiful sentiments ready to go. We are releasing a stamp set for this die on, I believe it's like April 20th. You'll see some videos coming out for that. And here's the card I created using one of the card fronts. I took one of the pieces of ephemera from the cute little garden critters and added it so it looks like he's walking down the path. The card fronts are so great if you need a quick card. You can add a little glue and add it to your card base, or you can play around with it. Take a die, cut out some shapes, poke some holes, make a little notebook or a journal. You get 2 of each and they're single-sided. You can laminate them, create covers out of these, add some ink to the edges. Just play around with them. They're beautiful, high quality, nice and thick. Cute, cute storybook bunny, little mouse, just really cute images in here. Floral, a little beaver. So I hope you guys have fun on the hop, get lots of inspiration, and I hope you enter into the giveaway for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.